unit of energy. We just understood that work and energy as a concept are interchangeable. We just saw that, right? A person doing a work on a box and all of that. Is it not? This one. Work being done is nothing but loss of energy. Work is done on something, it gains energy. Right? We understood that. So now, what do you think is the unit of energy? Yes, it's the same as that of the work. Unit of energy is joule over here. The same is over here. And remember, it's named after a person. That's why it is capital. Now, let's define 1 joule of work or energy. It's the same thing. So whatever we have defined till now for the idea of work is the same thing for energy as well. So what is work? Force into displacement. So all you have to do is frame it in a different way. That is, we said to have 1 joule of energy, an object or a scenario said to have 1 joule of energy. If you are capable of applying 1 Newton of force and displacing an object for 1 meter, as simple as that. Okay guys, the framing of the answer changes. The language changes, that's all, nothing else. So 1 joule of energy transferred by a force of 1 Newton when it moves through a distance of 1 meter. Again, the language is different over here. I think this is the textbook language, but my language is this. For me, whatever comes to my mind, of course, I think about it and then I tell. So if you have that capacity of thinking and framing the sentence, it's good enough. If you find that tough, you guys can copy this and write it in your exam. See, you can find many definitions. This wording is a bit too complex. I feel that. So you can define it in a better way. Okay. So let me see if there is anything else. No. Okay, let me frame it again. If you guys want to have an alternative, if not for this definition, I can give you one more definition. We're said to have 1 joule of energy in us if we are capable of applying 1 Newton of force, displacing an object for 1 meter. That's it. Okay, so you can frame that way as well. Right? You can pause and copy this off.